Hi, welcome to Paul's Kitchen for another version of Who Knew What You Could Do with Italian Salad Dressing. Today I got two quick, easy recipes. I'm going to do a breakfast one, which has nothing to do with this. But it's Quaker Oatmeal, Instant Quaker Oatmeal. And I entered a contest and I came in the semifinals. And I did what I had to call them, give them a name. I called it Snow Whites. It's white chocolate. Oh, here it is. White chocolate, coconut, and almonds. So I'm going to do what the box tells you to do. It says water or milk. I'm going to boil some water, half a cup, and I'm going to get half a cup of milk because I'm going to do 2 packets. Here they are right here. I'm going to melt the white chocolate in a double burner, which is just literally a pot of water. I'm going to boil it. I'm going to put a smaller pot right on top of it and melt the chocolate in it. I'll show you, but I just want to tell you what to have. And then we're going to put the coconut in. I'm going to grind these. I'm going to take about 8 to 10 almonds, put them in a grinder. We put those right on top, mix it up, and eat it. That's it. That's the first one. Second one's going to be hot dogs and french fries. Yeah, I know, hot dogs, really. I do it a little different. I'll show you when I'm ready. Let's do this one first. I'll see you in a few minutes. Hi, everybody. So remember, I told you we're going to do 2 different ones. Before we do that, I'm going to do a special little coronavirus song I made for you guys. I hope you laugh. Hope you laugh at me or with me. I don't care. Are you ready? Here it goes. Her name is Virus, coronavirus. At first she wasn't even here, but now she's everywhere. It got me stuck inside my own place. I can't even touch my face. I gotta stay 6 feet away from each other. Hey, that's my mother. Excuse me, sir, you can't go near her or any others. Because of corona, you must go back inside and wash your hands. Get back in your house and wash your hands for 20 seconds or longer. My God, coronavirus, go away. Thank you, I hope I made you laugh. All right, let's start. I'm gonna put boiling some water, just me a half a cup of water. Actually, yeah, half a cup of water and a half a cup of milk because I'm making 2 packages. And then we're gonna put the double boiler on. I'm gonna melt this. All right, I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so here's my almonds. I only put like 10, 12, it's the 2 packages. Okay. That's about all I'm gonna use for topping. Okay. Now come a little closer. Come on, zoom in over here. Here's our white chocolate. The water's boiling. Here's my other pot. Okay. That's for the next one. So we're just gonna melt that chocolate. Add that coconut. I boiled some water, so I'm gonna have a half a cup of water. I got the milk in here. Put it on for a minute. Warm it up, a half cup of each, because it says a half a cup of water or milk, so I'm using both. One's for flavor, one's for the little hotness to get the oatmeal. There's the oatmeal. White chocolate. All right, I'll be back to you in a few minutes when this is all melted. Okay, do my half a cup of hot water. Oh. Need my glasses, as blind as can be. Right into the instant oatmeal. A cup of milk. Our oatmeal, hot. White chocolate is melted. Looks like a lot. We're gonna put another packet in because I was following their directions. So let's use 3. Okay. You know what? I don't believe their thing at all. I'm gonna use 4. Okay. That looks better. More like oatmeal. Okay. Now the white chocolate goes right in. Melted. So we're going to melt a little bit more white chocolate. See you in a few minutes. Alright, so I followed their directions. Alright, obviously I should have just used my own common sense, but that's okay. We're melting some more white chocolate to put in here to mix. Okay, just about done. White chocolate. Get that off. Coconut. I do it by smell and taste. You guys can do the same thing. However you like it. This is the way I like it. Okay. Simple, easy, Snow Whites. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go to YouTube and hit the like button and hit that subscribe. It's free. In a few more minutes, we're going to do hot dogs and french fries. See you in a little bit. Okay. Alright, now, next phase is hot dogs and french fries. First of all, Special K, Snow Whites is for you. Here you go. Okay, so we're going to wash our potatoes thoroughly. Now, cut them in half this way, lengthwise. I'm using russet potatoes because I think they're better, but you can use whatever kind you like. Slice, slice, stack them up. And we got french fries. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest with the other two. I'm going to put the oil on, get it nice and hot, and we're going to start. See you in a little bit. Okay, hi everybody. See, I used one. I'm just going to cut one, show you. Use as many as you need. Oil, butter, minced garlic, salt, Goya, of course, garlic powder, salt, pepper. I use a little Montreal steak seasoning for the fries. I know, crazy, huh? But it's good. And of course, this gets in right at the end. So I'm going to put some oil in the pot, right in the pan, get it nice and hot. We're going to start. It's going to take about 8 minutes or so for these fries. Well, I'll show you. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I want to show you how much oil I'm going to use. You can zoom in. And we don't want too much oil because I'm using the Italian salad dressing as well at the end. So that's one potato's worth. Okay, see that? Okay, let's get it hot. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so the french fries. This is my third slice of butter. I'm putting in the oil, nice and hot. Wait for that to melt. Can you hear it sizzling? All right, just about ready. I'm gonna dump in the french fries. Now that's one potato. All right. Now this is going to take a little while, like I said, 8 to 10 minutes. I get a little bit of grease on them, as you can see. The garlic's going to go in last because you don't want burnt garlic, so we'll put that in right before we put in the Italian salad dressing. So now we're going to season it with these. Okay? Goya. There's still plenty left, as you can see. That's all I used. There's the girls, my alarm clock. Shh. Garlic powder. Just a little because we're going to use the minced garlic as well. Salt. Salt is important because it's french fries. Black pepper. And yes, Montreal steak seasoning. That's it. Now, lost the soldier there. We'll go back and get him and throw him away. Okay, we're just gonna let that cook out. Halfway through it, I'm gonna start the hot dogs. I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna put water down first. I'm gonna boil it until it evaporates. So I'm not putting a lot of water in, and then I'll show you what we do. See you there. So we're almost halfway through. This is how they should look. Okay, another minute or two. I'm actually gonna use this little pan because I'm only cooking 2 to show you. If you have a lot, you would use a bigger pan. I just wanted to show you that. I got the heat on medium-high, by the way. All right. So So halfway, I'll see you in a few more minutes. Okay, so I sliced the hot dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter how you slice it. Slice it however you want. The important part is how much water I have in there. See that? Now I'm going to boil this until it evaporates. Then we're going to add a little oil, butter, and all the seasonings. And I'll show you what to do in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm going to add the garlic now. Not much. Mix it up a little bit. More garlic flavor. We don't want it to burn. That's why I put it in late. I lost a couple, but that's okay. Italian salad dressing. This is what it goes in right now. If you have gas, it might flare up. It's okay. It goes up and down quickly. Okay, let's let that cook out for a few minutes. See you in a bit. Okay, after I put the Italian salad dressing, I put another sliver of butter in for flavor. That's what they should look like. They're just about done. Another minute. Hot dogs, as you can see, the water has evaporated. That's also on high. I'm going to turn it down to about 4, which is about medium. We're going to add some oil. Now we're going to fry the hot dogs. Add a little butter, and we're going to season it. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so my French fries, they're done. I got a paper bag. It absorbs the grease really good. So what I do is scoop them out with a female spoon. Don't take that as a insult or anything, ladies, but that's what they call it. And I'm going to put it in the bag, and then I'm going to salt them with regular kosher salt because they're French fries. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, so we're going to season our hot dogs. Same stuff. Salt. The other one. Okay. Garlic powder. Black pepper. I already put the Goya. And right at the last second, we're going to hit with Italian salad dressing. See you in a bit. So the regular salt for my French fries. See all the grease absorbing in the bag? I just put them in. Salt. Not a lot of salt. Take it out. Salt mixed up. Put it aside. Let's wait for our hot dogs. Seasoned. Ready. Hit it with a little Italian right now. I turned the heat down so it wouldn't burn on you. Or on me. Alright. That's what your hot dogs should look like when they're all done. Okay, I'm going to put a plate together. I'm going to show you fries, hot dogs, on a plate in the bun. And we're done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hot dogs and French fries. All done. I'm going to put them in my buns. I like ketchup. I don't know how many people do, but I do. And the most important part, I'm going to eat them. So, if you enjoyed this video, hopefully you learned a little something. Hope I made you laugh. Please go to YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.